Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G doesn't charge anymore. First of all, you should try another device with the same cable. So get another device and then plug the same cable into the other device and see if the device is charging. If it does charge, then there might be something wrong with your phone. If it does not charge, then it might be something with your cable and it's a problem there. Also, maybe see if you can change the wall plug thingy to see if that works or not, if that changes something. If not, well then your cable is probably broken. The second option you have is to restart your phone, and when we press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time for a couple of seconds, we get the power on and off menu here. We can make emergency calls, restart, power off. So we want to restart the phone, so you would press on restart. To restart your phone, then remember you need to have your SIM pin available somewhere close to you, or you remember it, I don't know, to actually restart your phone again. So try that. Then the third option is to look for a software update. So go ahead to your settings and then go all the way down to software update and then go to download and install. And right now it's checking for updates, and we do have an update available and it's actually installing or downloading the update. So we'll see what happens in 9 seconds. So if you have an update available, download it and install it so that you have the newest update. Maybe there's something just wrong with your phone, that there's like a little bug or something, and that's why it doesn't charge. So try that out, install the newest software update, and hopefully that will help you with your charging problem. The fourth option is a forced reboot, a forced restart of your phone. For that, you want to press the power on and off button at the same time. For that, you want to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time. And when this menu appears, you want to keep pressing until it shuts down. So we'll try that out. Here we have the menu, and then keep pressing until it shuts down now. Then we'll wait, it will start again, and then hopefully this will solve our problem. So now our phone restarted again, and we can go ahead and go back. We still have the update here. I'm not gonna go ahead and install it now, that would take way too long. And now you see our phone is charging. So hopefully these tips will help you too. And if it doesn't work, then you probably have like a hardware problem on your phone. You should go and get that fixed. Otherwise, well, your phone runs out and then you can't use your phone anymore. So hopefully these tips will help you. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.